The last scene. It started like any normal night. I was lying in bed, scrolling through my phone, when I got a notification from WhatsApp. It was from my best friend Arav. The weird part? Arav died 2 weeks ago. At first, I thought it was a glitch. Maybe someone else got his number. My hands were shaking, but curiosity always wins. I opened the chat. The message said, "Why didn't you come that night?" My heart dropped. That night, the night he died, I was supposed to meet him, but I cancelled last minute. I replied, trying to act normal. "Who is this?" The typing bubble appeared instantly, then stopped, then appeared again. Finally, a message came. "You know who it is." I felt a chill run down my spine. I checked his profile. Same photo, same bio. But the last scene, it said 2 minutes ago. That's impossible. I typed again. "This isn't funny." This time the reply came immediately. "I waited for you." My breathing got heavier. I wasn't alone. I froze. My room suddenly felt different. Too quiet, too still. Then, another message. "Turn around." I swear, my heart stopped. I slowly turned my head toward the dark corner of my room. Nothing, just darkness. I laughed nervously, trying to convince myself I was overreacting. Then my phone buzzed again. Too slow. And suddenly, I felt someone breathing right behind me.